squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saina, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing another Boxycharm unboxing once again. Boxycharm unboxing once again. Boxycharm unboxing once again. Hey, whatever it is, because I forgot the name of the song that I made up, but yeah, you know the deal. I'm doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and today's one, oh my god, I am ready for it because I know that when I watched the sneak peeks video and see what they was gonna have, I think they had like Dose of Colors, they had Iconic London, so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna have for my box. So I'm ready to show you guys what I got for this box for this month. So let's just get started. So once you open the box, this is the same thing. Hashtag Boxycharm. And then when you look up this paper right here, this is the items that's in the box. So let's look what this says. Boxycharm, flip over for a bigger Boxycharm. So when you open it, it says After Dark, and then it tells you everything that's inside of it, right? Yeah, so After Dark, and it says you have the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. It comes with 5 pan matte shadow palettes with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye look. It retails for $32. And then they have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glass Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating primer skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into the skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. That also retails for $32. Then it has the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. So I didn't get the shimmer for the body, but I got the gloss, so that's good. That retails for $26. Then it says the SKIN&CO Truffle Therapy Radiance Dewy Mist. Okay, got some dewy mist there. And it's supposed to be illuminating the skin and all that, so that's a good thing. And it retails for $35. And then we have the Luna by Luna eyeliner that retails for $16. So let me calculate that really quick and tell you how much we're spending in here for what I paid for like $21 for the box. So let's see.
32 plus 26 plus 35 plus $16
equals to $141. So that's how much this box retails for. So it says to tag Boxy After Dark for a chance to be featured, you know. So yeah. So let's go inside and let's start looking at the stuff one by one. So since it says the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette was the first one, let's just go look for it. Okay. They made sure they padded it up real good. Make sure that the palette didn't break. Hopefully my shadows is not broken, because the last time it was. So I got the Blushing Berries. That's the color that they gave me this time. And the back of it, it tells you all the colors. Some nice colors that I think I will wear. All of them is like it's so berry black. Oh, matter of fact, let me just open it up to show y'all how it looks, and then tell y'all which each color is. I never tried the Dose of Colors palette, so what is shaking in there? I hope something's not broken in there, but I never tried the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, but I heard so many things about it, so many good things about it, and people said it's like really pigmented, so can't wait to try it out. So let's open it up. Oh, that was the brush. Guys, look at this. So it's the, ooh, and the names is in the back. Names is in the back as well. It has a mirror. That's popping. That's really nice. So I'm gonna go and tell y'all the shades each. So ooh, yeah, even have a black shade in there. So this one right here is called Berry Black. This one is called Mixed Berries, Berry Pop, Roseberry, and Berry Chick, which is this one right here. And then it comes with the mirror. And it comes with this brush. It looks nice. Looks sturdy. Can't wait to try this out. I'm definitely gonna try this out in an upcoming video. I'm just trying to collect so much things that I can do with all the stuff that I collected from Boxycharm. So this is gonna be in one of them because I actually really like this one. So this one will definitely be featured in that video. The next thing on this list is Touch and Soul Pretty Flirty Skin Balm. So let's try that out. So let me just open this up really fast because I'm gonna just try to like use it in my hand. So I think it's this one right here. I think it's this one right here. So let's open it up. Oh no, this is not it. This is the SKIN&CO. So it's not this. Oh, it's this one right here. So this is how it looks right here. Comes in a box. So what I'm gonna do is open it up. Comes in this little jar right here. Okay, so when you open it up, tie it up real good. Comes with this little cap thingy. Pick that up. Oh, this is like lotion. What they said it was again? They said it was a ultra hydrating priming skin balm. Okay, so I'm gonna try a little bit. Put that like that. That was really nice and it feels nice. Smells good. So guys, as I can see right there, that is nice and hydrating. And it looks good compared to the rest of my hand. I don't know if you can really see it on camera. See, this part doesn't have it, but this part has it. Okay, I probably can't see it, but I like this a lot. I like this a lot. It's really good. Definitely will be using that. The next thing I see on my list is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. So Iconic London is right here. So let me get some tissue, wipe out my lips, and we're gonna try this out. Alright guys, I've got to show you the shade, but this is the shade right here. So let's clean out the lip. This one is in the shade Love Truck. Alright guys, so if you see me looking over here really quick, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I don't know if you can see it. My lips is looking nice and it has this like little tingly feeling, but it actually looks good. It feels good. Ooh. I think this is one of my best Boxycharm unboxings. No doubt about that. I think this one is the best one. And then the next one is the SKIN&CO Truffle Therapy Radiant Dewy Mist. So this is how it looks. So let's see, because my face is matte right now, so I'm going to try to put this on my face and see what happens. It smells really good. It felt really good and it smells really good. So I think that was okay. I just didn't spray a lot because I didn't know how it was going to work, but I think this illuminating skin freshen mist is another good thing. So the last thing it says that they have here is the Luna by Luna eyeliner. So this is the Luna by Luna eyeliner, and this is in like a bluish color. And I'm not gonna try it out because I'll probably use that for a giveaway. But other than that, everything else I was in love with. Boxycharm, you really did that. So yeah, I think that's about it in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!